Shona Squad! Today, we're playing a game, but while we play, we're also learning some Shona pronouns. Ready? Let's go!
My Shamwari, let's play pass the ball. When you get the ball, you say something about yourself. Ini ndini tari. Ini means I and ndini means am. So I'm saying I am Tari.
Ini ndini mia. Yes!
You did it! Ini means I. Hey Tari, iwe kutamba here.
What does that mean?
Great question. Iwe means you, one person. Olu asked me, are you playing?
So if I talk to all of us, what do I say?
Ishu meaning we.
So Isutiri the Shona Squad! What about when I talk to all of you girls? That's Imi, meaning you, but now in plural. Imi muri shamwari zangu. So let me try uri shamwari yangu Tari. Isutiri kuziza Shona. Imi muri the Shona Squad.
Let's recap together. Ini equals I. Iwe equals you. Isu equals we. Imi equals you many.
Learning Shona is more fun when we learn together, Shona Learning Warriors.
See you next time with the Shona Squad. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.